Hi, my name is Jackie Inquison and I am your gluten-free guru. Today we're going to be making some sweet and savory gluten-free cornbread muffins. Now, I love cornbread muffins, but I hate wheat. So, I'm going to show you my little tricks on how to get home happy with a nice warm muffin. So, we've got our Bob's Red Meal. We have 1 cup of white rice flour, 3/4 cups of stone ground cornmeal, and we just have all of our dry ingredients already mixed. And to that we've added 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and to that we're adding 1 cup of rice milk and 1/4 cup of melted goat butter. Now the reason I'm using goat butter is because typically celiacs or gluten intolerant people don't have the enzyme required to break down dairy, which is cow products. But a lot of people actually can use goat and sheep, so that's what we're using today, and it adds a little extra zing to it that I really like. So to this mixture we've added our egg replacer, and it's 2 to 1, so 1 tablespoon of egg replacer to 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water, and we just mix it and then we added it in, and we have 2 tablespoons of fresh thyme. So we've got all these guys ready to go, and we're just going to incorporate it. And you slowly just kind of want to fold it in. Want to make sure we get all that last little bit of egg replacer in there because we want these little babies to rise. And now remember, if you don't have any egg replacer, just take a little bit of flaxseed and it's the same thing. Just use 2 to 1. And we're going to add our nice blueberries. So to the blueberries, to keep them from bleeding and having kind of gushed out little muffins, we add actually a little bit of gluten-free all-purpose flour. And what this does is it basically just kind of makes it easier for them to kind of just swish into the batter. Just want to mix them so they stay nice and dry. You don't want to just dump it in. You slowly kind of want to just get it in there little by little. So we take this guy. And to this, I'm going to add a little bit of lemon zest because it just gives it a little extra zing. And it's probably, we're going to use about 1 teaspoon of lemon zest. Now we're ready to go into our cupcake liners. Now I'm just using regular ones, and I've already sprayed this with canola. Any vegetable oil will do great because it just has a nice neutral flavor. And I've already sprayed the insides as well so they don't stick, because gluten-free tends to get a little bit gummy. So that's one trick to keep them from sticking. And I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees, and we're going to bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. So we've just pulled the muffins from the oven, and I've pulled them out to cool, and I've arranged them nicely for everybody to come eat some. But first, we're going to butter them with a little bit of goat butter, and of course, nice clover honey. Is honestly a freaking home run. This is amazing. So if you hate gluten and you love cornbread muffins, you've got a winner here. Come get fat with me. Until next time.